Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Major Villarina, 23 years of age. I am single. I live in Barangay Bulilao, Mandaluyao, province of Iloilo. I'm graduated at EMAP School Foundation. I have a license midwife. I have a knowledge about taking care of babies and adults. I have many experience on the medical terms.
Okay, you're licensed midwife, right?
Yes, sir.
You can take care of the newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
How do you know the baby is sick?
I know that the baby is sick if she had a fever, if you put your hands on his head, it's hot, then the baby is not stop crying. Then sometimes the baby is not able to feed.
Okay, when you learn that the baby is sick, right?
Yes,
okay,
sir.
what you will do?
If the baby is sick, get a temperature, put him in the colic. Then if the baby is the temperature is higher, ng tipid sponge bath to him, then tell the employer that the baby is sick.
Yes, right. Okay, this is the first time applied abroad, right?
Yes.
Why select Hong Kong, not the other country?
Because the Hong Kong is hospitable, sir, according to my sister.
Where is your sister?
In Hong Kong, sir.
How long in Hong Kong?
I don't know, sir. It's now maybe 2 years now.
Okay, how can you solve and overcome your homesick?
Homesick? How can I soften to able to enjoy my work? Able to communicate with my employer.
Okay, when you did something wrong or some mistake in the house, the employer will angry with you. What you will do?
First you apologize to the employer, say sorry, you apologize to him, then explain to him that you must not angry, because I am so sorry because of something that I done. Yes, sir.
Okay, you know how to cook, right?
Yes, sir.
How about marketing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the employer gives you money to buy some food, how can you manage the money?
By keeping the money safe, wisely buying some fresh vegetable, fresh meat, fresh.
How do you know the fish is fresh?
I know that the fish is fresh if the ice is crystal clear and the grills are red.
Okay, in case you are cooking in the kitchen, suddenly your mom call you and want you to go outside to buy something, what you will do?
I do important things, sir, like turn off the fire and then came to my employer.
Okay, how can you maintain the good relationships with your employer?
By communicate with him, be honest to him, be respect to what she said, and be thankful for the chance that she gave to you.
Okay, any message to your future employer?
Yes, sir. Dear Ma'am, Sir, I am Major Villarina, 23 years of age. I hope that you choose me as one of your helper. I am honest, I'm honest, hardworking person, and a friendly person, sir. I hope to see you in Hong Kong. God bless you and your family. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.